Banana peel. Teeth whitening results that will surprise you. Bananas are amazing in many ways. You can eat them on their own, in a smoothie, or even make some banana bread. They are extremely nutritious, containing 422 milligrams of potassium, 32 milligrams of magnesium, and 3 grams of fiber, according to the United States Department of Agriculture. They have many health benefits, including aiding digestion, helping to fight anemia, as well as assisting in the regulation of blood pressure. But did you know that banana peel helps whiten your teeth? Minerals in bananas, such as potassium and manganese, are absorbed into the teeth, making them whiter. Banana peel is a natural and gentle tooth whitening remedy. According to Ukena Ukoye, clinical director at London Smiling Dental Group, if you rub the skin of a banana into your teeth, it will act as a gentle exfoliator and will remove some surface stains, but will not reach the pores on the surface of your enamel. Therefore, no deep cleaning takes place, and it leaves your teeth looking clean and much whiter. Now let's talk about steps. But before we do, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. Here are the steps. 1. Peel one layer off a ripe banana. Leave the rest of the skin intact if possible, because you may want to use it again. Try and peel the banana from bottom to top. 2. Put the inside of the banana peel inside both the top and bottom of your teeth and rub it in as much as possible. Keep rubbing until both your top and bottom teeth are covered in a layer of banana paste. 3. Leave the banana paste on your teeth for up to 10 minutes while it works its magic. If possible, try not to let your bottom and top teeth touch. This prevents the banana paste from rubbing off and allows for more effective results. 4. After the 10 minutes, use a dry toothbrush to brush the paste into your teeth, allowing it to reach all those tough spots. 5. Then wet your toothbrush, either with water or toothpaste. Repeat this once a day if possible to see results quicker. There you have it, 5 easy steps to whiten your teeth with banana peels.